Powerjack Models 100 and 200, disassembly, reassembly, and pawl replacement. The Powerjack Model 100 is ready for disassembly. First, remove the gear shaft nut. Push and pull out the pawl-pin. Remove the handle from the Powerjack and the ratchet shaft from the handle. Set aside the ratchet spring and gear for use during reassembly. Straighten and remove the cotter pin from the pawl pin. Next, remove the two pawl springs. Pull out the pawl pin and bushing which hold the two ratchet pawls. Remove both pawls 1 and 2. Remove the plastic cap screw from the end of the rack. Slide the gear rack out of the base. Powerjack is now ready for reassembly. Check all parts for wear and replace as necessary. Slide gear rack into the Powerjack base. Mount the plastic cap screw to the end of the rack and tighten. Place both pawl 1 and pawl 2 into the Powerjack base. Insert the pawl pin through the pawl bushing. Push the pin and bushing through the base and the ratchet pawls. Insert and secure the cotter pin through the end of the pawl pin. Insert the pawl springs for both pawl 1 and pawl 2. Insert the gear while holding the pawls forward. Take note of the flat side of the ratchet shaft. Slide the ratchet shaft through the end of the handle. Place the handle into the base while lining up the shaft and the gear. The flat side of the shaft should be up against the gear teeth. Next is the gear shaft. Note the head has one flat side. The flat side of the gear shaft head will line up with the flat edge of the Powerjack base. Push the gear shaft through the base. Reinstall the gear shaft nut. Tighten firmly. Next, we'll add the ratchet spring. Note the straight end in the middle and the looped end to the right. With the spring around the shaft and through the slot, hook the looped end around the handle base. Move the handle to check that the ratchet function is now working. Powerjack is now ready for functional testing. Test that the handle and gear pushes the rack outward. Push the handle full forward to release the ratchet pawls. Rack should now slide freely. Powerjack rebuild is now complete.